Hi guys, it's Robin. So I was coming back on really quick with a revision on the deep pocket that is in the December, or not December, but the Journal Embellishment Book, where I've done the tutorial in part 1 and part 2. I just wanted to show you, because I didn't write this down and I messed up and I apologize. But when the scoring and everything is still exactly the same. But if you'll notice the corners here, this is what I'm going to need, what you'll need to do, rather than just cut the angle like we did on the other ones. You'll need to cut up on this. I'm just going to let you study it for a minute to look at it. And if you would, watch all 3 videos all the way through before you start your project. And that will help, because like I said, I have some boo-boos, but this one right here was really important, and I apologize that I did that wrong. But if you'll just cut your paper this way, and if you'll notice, these are slanted, and the reason for that is because it will allow you to make this little tab right here, and it's black, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you. But what you'll need to do, you know how on boxes they have these little tabs? You'll need to, if you're holding it, this is the inside of your box, if you're holding it like this and bringing this up, just go ahead and put some glue here, and then attach that, and then go ahead and fold it on over and glue it just like we did before, and then put your backing on. But I did want to show, tell you about this little boo-boo and do a revision on it so you all would have it and would know. So thank you so much for watching, you all, and I really do hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. Talk to you later. Bye.